You always want what you can't have, and while you had it, you always want what you can't have.
The Samsung Galaxy S30 is the company's most premium and impressive smartphone to date, but already we're dreaming of what Samsung will cook up for the Galaxy S30 range. Now that the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 has launched, we know Samsung's vision of what a premium phone is right now, and that gives us a hint for what's in store with the Galaxy S30, which we wouldn't expect until the beginning of 2021. The Samsung Galaxy S30 devices are sure to be some of the most exciting phones of 2021, so hype is already building, and we're even hearing the first very early rumors. Samsung Galaxy S30 release date. The Samsung Galaxy S20 series was launched this year at a Samsung Unpacked event February 11, and the phones went on sale March 6. Pre-orders started February 21. If Samsung followed a similar schedule for its next phones, the Galaxy S30 release date would be March 5, which would be the first Friday in the month. If Samsung stuck with similar timing for the Unpacked 2021 event as well, the Galaxy S30 would launch February 9, which would be the second Tuesday that month. And pre-orders would begin as soon as February 19. Of course, that time frame doesn't take into account any delays or rescheduling caused by the ongoing coronavirus pandemic. Samsung Galaxy S30 price. Samsung made a gamble with the Galaxy S20 line by not offering a cheaper Galaxy S20e variant in the $700 to $750 range. Instead, the cheapest Galaxy S20 was $999. The Galaxy S30 price will presumably be in the same ballpark, with the prices starting at $999, £899 AU, $1,499 for the regular Galaxy S30. The Galaxy S30 Plus would presumably cost $200 more, and the Galaxy S30 Ultra, $200 more than that. Some reports have suggested that the Galaxy S30 could cost more than what Samsung charged for this year's phones because of the Snapdragon 875, the system on chip expected to power the new phones. However, some people dispute the report of pricier Snapdragon chipsets. Samsung Galaxy S30 cameras. The Galaxy S30 is rumored to up the ante even more when it comes to camera resolution. A report from SamMobile says that Samsung may be developing a new 150MP sensor for flagship phones. This would be even sharper than the 108MP sensor in the Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra. Not much is known about this sensor, but apparently it has a footprint of 1 inch, and it uses the same nanocell technology that the S20 Ultra does with its ISOCELL Bright HM1 sensor. The new 150MP sensor will likely show up in phones for the first time in Q4 2020, possibly a Xiaomi handset. Other phone makers could also beat the Galaxy S30 to the punch in employing this camera, including Oppo and Vivo, but Samsung will likely make the most noise. What's not known is whether Samsung will reserve the sensor for the Galaxy S30 Ultra or employ it for the Galaxy S30 Plus or Galaxy S30. Samsung Galaxy S30 design. Samsung has been working on a perfect full-screen phone design for well over a year, and the Samsung Galaxy S30 could make this vision a reality. Samsung Display started talking about the possibility of eliminating the punch holes on the front of its phones in March 2019. The idea is that the camera hole would be invisible while not affecting the camera's function in any way. Samsung is also eyeing technology that would leverage the display as a speaker. However, it's not clear whether Samsung will be able to deliver this type of design in time for the Galaxy S30. Samsung is also experimenting with displays that would be rounded on all 4 sides, which could come to the Galaxy S30 series. The device would still have a metal frame, but the curved panel would make the screen more immersive. This is based on a patent discovered by Let's Go Digital. Samsung Galaxy S30. Processor and performance. On the Snapdragon front, the new chipset is expected to be the Snapdragon 875 if Qualcomm sticks to its numbering conventions for new versions. An early report from 91 Mobiles claims that this will be a 5nm chip as opposed to the 7nm Snapdragon 865. There will also be a 5G modem included with the chipset. Samsung's next processor is expected to be named either the Exynos 1000 or Exynos 992, and it'll be another 5nm chip. Leaked benchmarks promise big performance gains, with the new Exynos chipset delivering a 3x improvement over the Snapdragon 865. The silicon is rumored to begin production by partner TSMC this summer according to ZDNet, though that won't be soon enough for it to appear in the Galaxy Note 20 or Galaxy Fold 2, which will likely release in late August or early September if history repeats itself. Samsung Galaxy S30. Other features. The Samsung Galaxy S30 could be marked by a feature that isn't there. A report claims that Samsung will ship next year's flagship without a charger. Basically, the idea is that most people already have a USB-C charger on hand, and removing one from the box of new phones reduces e-waste, while also keeping costs of the new phone down slightly. Samsung may not be the first phone maker to skimp on including a charger with its flagship phone. Apple is reportedly considering such a move with the iPhone 12, which may arrive this fall without either a charger or wired earbuds. And that's it for today. If you want to keep in touch with the latest leaks and rumors in the tech world, then click that subscribe button below. Thank you for being here. See you in the next one.